John Primo caught a fish, so we're trying to get over there to see it, but I don't think we're going to get over there before he has to release it. John catches a fish, I almost get killed by a bird. What'd you catch him on, Johnny? How big was he? Oh. Then I better pick up my rowing. He slipped off. How big was he? 6 inches is fine, right, John? Oh, here's a bass right behind you, dude. There's a big one right here, a big bass. Oh, pike. That's a pike right there. Yeah, he's right there. Dude, I might be able to stop and cast that bastard. I have a wind-out worm on my, right behind you, John, sorry. We're gonna have a Titanic moment. Getting the job done. It's funny that the Rapala is doing the job when there's no, or the perch is doing the job when there's no perch in here. I don't think. They didn't mean to major space. I was busy almost getting killed by birds. Dude, they were not happy about that shit. Because you never know which one's a velociraptor. So this is kind of like we're sharing a boat. And it was a good hook. It wasn't like an accidental, you scraped it across his face. Yeah, there was like 6 or 7 herons over there. And when they saw me coming, they all kind of ganged up in a little pile. Dude, they were not happy. Some of these weeds feel like bites. God, no more birds. There, no more weeds. See, like when I fly fish, I can, you know, fly tie for weed guards on all my stuff, and you like the what? Hey, there's those herons. They're attacking a goose. Moral of the story, herons are assholes too. They look pretty. But like most of the pretty creatures in this world, they're kind of dicks. Yeah, that pike I saw was about 16 inches. Not massive, but... Okay, so how am I still freaking catching weeds? Life's great mystery, I guess. Here's what'll happen. I'll get out of eyesight and John's gonna start catching fish again. My camera still on?